So what's going on, everyone? Today's going to be a quick video for Ondo Finance. The market actually has, bounced from a pocket that we already identified previously from a video that we did a while ago, maybe a couple of days ago. So I'm just coming in and do you all a favor and actually predict that this market is trying to go higher in price. And you can see that from the price action from yesterday to today, definitely letting us know that buyers were in the market right here at this buy pocket. And the market currently is up 9.1%. So now we're going to try to see if this market is still a buy in Ondo. And if it is, we're going to try to anticipate how high price can go. So welcome everyone to the channel. As always, hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. So now let's break this down real quick. So we're going to look at this on the hourly chart first. I want to show you what it looks like when market comes in buy. Okay, so you can see back here on November the 21st, the market dipped, came down, created this area of buying for Ondo, and the market lifted up quickly. It kind of lifted from the pocket, held, consolidated for a couple of hours, and then the market completely ran up. Sellers a second time brought price right back down, hit the same area that the buyers were originally, and those buyers bought a second time. And this time, I want you all to see how quick the market went away from the pocket, definitely showing that they are in control of price right now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of these sell pockets here for Ondo, and you can currently see that we may have entered the area that sellers are, okay, for Ondo. So we're going to identify this point as a sell pocket. Now, it doesn't mean that the market move to the upside is finished. It just seems that the market may try to go down ever so often just to induce more people to come into the market. All right, so my concern is right here on these two 1 hour bars. We need to break these hourly bars down to see where these buyers are. So let's go ahead and look at this on like the 9-minute chart. Okay, so you can see that there is a area right here that could potentially be a buy pocket, so we're going to mark that as a buy pocket. And let's look at this on the 5-minute. Okay, so the 5-minute chart is reflecting this area right here. Okay, let's look at this on the 3. Okay, so we're going to make this area 2 a buy pocket. So now, looking at this on the 11-hour chart, these areas will be important on how low we don't want price to break through. Like, these are floors. So we're going to anticipate this cryptocurrency going higher in price. We don't want to see the market break these areas. We want to see it continually go up. Okay, the sooner that it holds one of these pockets, the better. If we see the price in Ondo fall and fail to hold this first buy pocket and it comes and bounces on the second, that's still good, but it's not as good if price just bounced off this first pocket and went up. Okay, so I just want to make mention of that as we anticipate the market in Ondo trying to go up higher in price. So now we're going to go ahead and mark this here, and I want to show you the 2-hour chart too. Okay, just to give you an idea what buying looked like on the 2-day chart. The volume here on the 2-day chart is a lot higher than what it was the last 2 volume bars, and the market is currently closing up there at the high of the bar, which resembles buying. Okay, so that's on the 2. Here's the same thing on the 3. And here on the 4. Okay, so now I'm not going to be like massively bullish. I'm not going to run out and just tell everyone to come out and purchase this cryptocurrency, because the altcoin space is not that market. You just cannot buy and expect the market to move. You can already tell that we are hitting this massive sell pocket right here in Ondo, and we're going to target that area. We're going to target this one here too. Okay, so this first target is going to be from like 53 cents, gives us 5.34%, all the way up here at 55, 9.3. Then our second target is going to be up here around 58 to 60 cents, 18.58% there. Now, we already know the risk that we're willing to take on this particular prediction, and it's right here at this very bottom buy pocket. If price break this buy pocket, then again, the market is definitely still weak. And this movement that we currently see in the market in Ondo is not real. That's if price was to break that lower buy pocket. Okay, so I think I might just leave it like this. because we are in no way out of the woods of looking at Ondo continuing to trend down. We haven't broken that trend yet, which is why I'm being conservative in how high I think the market's going to go. Okay, so we got these 3 pockets of selling here that we need to see how determined the buyers will be. I don't like this first pocket. If it just gets rejected at this first pocket, then yeah, this market is definitely going to continue to trend down in my presumption. But we'll see what happens. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.